While on the go, it's not always practical to travel with your dog's standard water and food bowls. These tend to be heavy and take up a lot of space in your dog's travel bag. The collapsible dog bowl is a lightweight and convenient alternative that will simplify things, while making sure your dog stays hydrated and well fed on your trip. There are many products available to choose from best travel dog bowls, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel dog bowls from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bonza Large Collapsible Dog Bowl. The Bonza Large Collapsible Dog Bowl is an eco-friendly, non-slip option for feeding and hydrating your dog on the go. It's a great water bowl for large dogs because it doesn't easily collapse. Not only will it be difficult to accidentally collapse when it's filled with water or food, but it's also durable enough to be able to survive a drop without breaking. The 40-ounce bowl can hold 5 cups of food and measures 7x3, and the 55-ounce bowl can hold 7 cups of food and measures 7.75x3.25. They both can be fully expanded or partially expanded, and collapse down to 0.75. The smaller bowl weighs 5.6 ounces, and is great for medium to large dogs over 50 pounds, while the larger bowl weighs 8.2 ounces, and is ideal for large dogs over 100 pounds. Included is a silicone water bottle holder that can easily clip onto a small backpack. Number 2. Pet Bonus Silicone Collapsible Dog Bowl. If you're looking for collapsible travel bowls for dogs, look no further than the Pet Bonus bowls. This 4-pack comes in 4 bright colors: pink, yellow, orange, and green. The bowl can hold 12 ounces of water or food, and measures 5x3.5x2. It can collapse down to 0.5, and each bowl only weighs 2.16 ounces. It has 3 adjustable tiers, so you can adjust the depth of the bowl based on your dog's preference. The base is made of silicone, while the rim is made of sturdy hard plastic. The hull and carabiner make it simple to hang on your belt loop, bag, or hook while you're traveling or waiting for it to dry. The Pet Bonus Silicone Collapsible Dog Bowls are dishwasher-safe bowls, and are great additions to your dog gear collection. Number 3. Healthy Human Portable Dog Travel Bowl. The Healthy Human Portable Dog Travel Bowls is a fan favorite because they have lids and an interlocking design. The eco-friendly and dishwasher-safe bowls are made of stainless steel and measure 6x4.5, 6x6.5, and 6x8.5. They're also non-toxic, durable, and non-stick. Thanks to the rubber seal, each layer is leak-proof. The bowls weigh about 1.6 pounds each, so they're not ideal for backpacking. But if the bowl will be sitting in your caravan or you only need to feed your dog in your hotel room, then the Healthy Human Portable Dog Travel Bowls definitely deserves your consideration. Number 4. Wincy Collapsible Dog Bowls with Mat. These double portable water bowls for dogs allow you to put your dog's food and water side by side, or feed 2 dogs at once. The Wincy Collapsible Dog Bowls measure 19x3, and can adjust to 3 different heights. They're made of Bpa-Free and Lead-Free silicone that's food grade and dishwasher safe. Each bowl can hold up to 35 fluid ounces of water or 4.5 cups of food. Included is a no-spill silicone mat that helps the bowls stay in place and prevent them from being turned over by your pooch. The mat also catches spilled food and water to help keep the floor or ground clean and dry. As a bonus, you'll get a 7 frisbee and a carabiner. The Wincy Collapsible Dog Bowls weigh around 1 pound each and can be used for indoor or outdoor vacations. Number 5. Prima Pet's Collapsible Silicone Food and Water Travel Bowl. The Prima Pet's Collapsible Silicone Food and Water Travel Bowl can be used during all types of travel, from camping trips to hotel stays. This dishwasher-safe bowl measures 5.5x2.2 and weighs 3.52 ounces. The non-absorbent bowl is made of food-grade silicone and has a Bpa-free plastic rim. It has a sturdy 3.6 base that helps prevent the bowl from tipping over and making a mess. It can fit up to 1.5 cups of food or water, and collapses down to 0.5 when not in use. The carabiner clip allows you to latch it to a leash or belt loop. Choose from aqua, purple, pink, or gray when you buy the Prima Pet's Collapsible Silicone Food and Water Travel Bowl for your dog. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.